So here's what we're doing. Just go ahead and show you. I've got this little wooden piece. It's like, I don't know, just like I don't even know where it came from. I collect stuff like this. If it's cool, if it's straight, if it's something I can use, I collect it. So I got this. And then I got these at Michael's years ago. Well, I say years, probably been about 3 years ago. USA. They were $1 each. And they are just these little blocks, okay? Oh, I'm getting them. Trying to get, oh my goodness. It looks backwards to you, but anyway, USA, okay? So, I'm going to put those across the top of the actual little wooden piece that I have. And then I have cut up so many strips of ribbon. I already had all this ribbon, and I just literally went through, go in there, good. I just literally went through all my stash, and anything that was patriotic, I started cutting. I just cut kind of long strips like this so that we can make it hang from our piece of wood here. Kind of like a flag, but it's not really a flag, but it kind of, you know, it's got that kind of feel to it. And then I've got some twine, and I'm going to hot glue it to the back so that we can hang the wooden piece. So, we're going to be using lots of hot glue because that's how the ribbon is going to get hooked to the wooden piece, and that's how the USA is going to get there. So, share the video if you think you've got a friend that might really enjoy this, and tell me you shared in the comments. I'm going to do the USA at the very end. That way I'm not picking up and putting down and then it's got those glued to it. So all we're going to do, let's see which side we should. I'm going to glue the ribbon to this side, and then I'll put the USA on this side. Okay, so there's not really any rhyme or reason to how I'm doing the ribbon. And there's, like I said, I didn't measure, I just cut. But I'm probably going to try to do like just one at a time. Like right now I have the burlap, and then I've got my really cute polka dot. And then I'll just kind of go, let's see. So then I've got some blue. So I'm just going to kind of go, just put something different. Every other one's going to be a different ribbon. And then we'll just keep doing it that way. That way we don't get, you know, too many on top of the other one. If that makes any sense at all. Can you already tell that this is going to be really cute? Because I can. And I'm trying to do it while I'm trying to show y'all while I'm doing it. So it's kind of, so let's see what I got here. Okay, I got one more right here, and I'm going to just put it over here. Okay, this is all the ribbon that I have, all the different kinds. So I've got them all just in this random order, and I'm going to try to stick to the same order as we keep going. So I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to hot glue it all to the back. So I got it laying right here. Make sure that the front side of the ribbon is going up. And you know, hot glue dries really fast. Oops, I need a new stick. So you gotta be putting this on there as soon as it's hot. I use my hot glue gun. Oh my gosh, I've got so many. I use them all the time. I'm just gonna lay each piece on there, just like this. I'm not worried about if they're overlapping, because it's not supposed to be perfect. They're not all the same length. Woo! Hot mama. Just burnt myself pretty bad. I'm terrible with hot glue. I use it all the time, but I burn myself every time. Okay. So here we are. Now let me show you the back. See, it's not perfect. I did a line of hot glue. Be careful, I burnt myself. It hurt. And just stick your stuff. Okay, so now basically all we're gonna do is just go through the same process that we just did here. I'm gonna try to keep them in the same order if I can. And I've got some pieces that I've got more of than others, so it's not gonna be perfect. gonna show y'all where I'm at right now. This is the side that I'm gluing the ribbon on. I'm just kind of going in a pattern. So this would be a really fun project. I had a lot of patriotic ribbon, just a lot of, and some of this is Christmas ribbon, but you know, they just all kind of go together. But I had a lot of this, but this would be so cute for anything. Any kind of theme that you've got, this would be really, really cute to do with different ribbons. Be a really fun little project. Be really cute for a little kids room. You could even use it to put bows on for a little girl's room. You can like just snap the bows on there. That'd be really cute. Okay, here is how I did it on the back. This is the back where I just hot glued each ribbon. See, some are a little shorter than others. Okay, and here is this. How cute. Told y'all I got these little blocks from Michael's for $1 each. Like it's probably been like 3 years ago. So I don't know if you can still have them. I don't know if they still have them is what I mean. But you can just use this as inspiration. I mean, we're not all going to get to make the exact same project, but when you watch somebody, sometimes it just inspires you to do something. Maybe you can think of a neat way to take and make your own spin on this project. But I absolutely think this ribbon is adorable. So I'm just putting a bunch of hot glue on the back of my block letters so I can glue them to my piece of wood. I like to use quite a bit of hot glue because there are stronger methods of glue, but hot glue is so convenient and I've always got it, so it's going to work perfectly fine. I can't wait to show y'all this when it's done. Whoa. Okay, so now I've got the letters glued on. USA. How cute is this, y'all? Seriously. Love it. Love it. Okay. So, now we're going to add a hanger. Let me get my scissors. Oops. I got some. Okay, so I'm going to cut my twine to make sure that I just cut my twine like so long so that I can hot glue it on the back. And if I had my, I'm gonna tell you what, if I had my what am I trying to say? If I had my stapler, my staple gun, I would staple this into my wood, but I don't have it right now, so I'm just gonna hot glue it. It'll do the trick for now. No, my staple gun, baby. Right, that's true. Eden said, and I would wake up Blaze if I did that, and he's taking a nap right here in the other room. So that's not a good idea. So she's right. That just would not be a good idea. I'm gonna let this dry really good. So here's the, oops. Hold on. Trying to do this and show y'all and let it dry and everything else. And, okay, so you would be able to hang it by this. No, it's not spelled backwards. It's just the way the iPhone is. The iPhone has a mirrored image. It's not backwards. It's backwards on yours. It's not backwards in real life. It's just the way the iPhones do when you're doing a video if you don't set them the right way. So it's going to be like this. Isn't that cute? Okay, so now the last thing. I have this spray glitter, okay? It is It's a glitter and sealer all in one. But let me tell you, and it's silver. It is not like bright glitter like you may be thinking. Can I see that towel, Eden? So I can put it under this so it doesn't get all over the table. Yeah, it'd be really cute on a front door. Yeah, it's not backwards. No worries. It is not backwards. Okay, so I'm going to lay down this towel so that I don't get the glitter on my table. And then I'm going to spray it. The glitter spray came from Walmart. I'm spraying it on my USA, and I'm even spraying it on my ribbon. Okay, can y'all see the glitter? It's very subtle. This glitter is nothing crazy. Yeah, I'm glittering the whole house. It is not backwards. Okay, if somebody don't mind, just to let people know that that this is not backwards. This is not backwards. This is an iPhone, the way it's set up. I did not do the setup where it would be, it's just showing the opposite like a mirror. So here it is. And here it is hanging. See the glitter? See? Told y'all, it's not backwards. Okay. I'll talk to y'all later. See you later. Bye.